Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding steam. First, understand that steamed pudding refers to a cooking method, not just a visual effect. You'll need a heat-proof bowl or mold, often greased, to hold your pudding mixture. This bowl then sits in a larger pot with simmering water, creating a gentle, moist heat. This process ensures your pudding cooks evenly and develops its characteristic texture. There are two primary ways to steam pudding: stovetop or oven. For stovetop, place your covered pudding basin on a trivet in a large pot. Add boiling water to come about 2/3 up the sides of the basin. Cover the pot tightly and simmer gently. If using an oven, place the covered basin in a roasting pan with hot water, baking at a moderate temperature. Both methods provide the necessary moist heat. For a truly perfect steamed pudding, consistency is key. Make sure your pudding basin is well sealed, perhaps with foil and a lid, to keep steam in and water out. Avoid lifting the lid too often, as this releases precious steam. A gentle simmer, not a rolling boil, is ideal for even cooking. This careful attention to detail will result in a beautifully moist and tender pudding every time. Avoid common pitfalls like letting the water bath dry out, which can scorch your pudding. Also, resist the urge to peek too often, as this disrupts the steaming process. Ensure your pudding is cooked through by inserting a skewer. It should come out clean. Remember, patience is a virtue when steaming. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.